still see ya, I still see ya. Doing everything that we said we gonna do. Girl, I still see ya, I still see ya.
Thanks again to everyone who showed their support on my first video. If y'all want to get featured in my next video, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Devon McKenzie X. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Love you guys. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. You thought I wasn't coming back, did you? But I'm back. I look different because, you know, I got the wig on. But I was bored of my short hair. I needed something new. I needed some color. You know, like, so why not? So today we're dyeing my hair. I got Cream of Nature, light golden brown, C42. So we gonna see what it do. And in the box, it comes with the cream developer, the dye, conditioner, and some gloves. It's attached to the little direction instrument. But yeah. So we're gonna see how it goes. I'm very nervous because this is my first time dyeing my hair. Like, I never got dyed. So we gonna see. Alright, so it's been 25 minutes. We gonna see. Forgot about my gloves. I threw them in the trash. Look at them. Because I ain't reaching records. That's how they be in prison, isn't it? Okay, let me rinse this out. I'll be back. But that is what it looks like. It's like a light golden brown. I like it. I'm gonna dye my hair again. But we gonna let this rock for a little bit. But yeah, you already know the deal. If y'all want to see more content, comment. If you have any suggestions, comment. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.